Namaste. Hello, good morning or good evening. This is an international seminar. Wherever you are, greetings to all of you. So I'm an Ayurvedic doctor from USA. Thank you, Dr. Shilpa Yerme, for inviting me for this speaker series, special speaker series. Thank you, Ayush Darpan Journal, for this wonderful platform. You're doing a great job of educating public and promoting Ayurveda. Today, I'm going to speak about beautiful inside out. You have heard a lot from other speakers today, but I'm going to talk about beauty inside out. Just to let you know that beauty is our health and health is our beauty, which reflects on our face. It is your health of mind and body. Therefore, it is not just for women, it is for everybody, including children, including babies. So there is a disclaimer before I start. This presentation is only for educational purposes and not to treat or diagnose yourself. So, definition of the beauty doesn't start with the outer appearance, but inner health reflects onto our outer appearance. It balances with the intelligence and healthy mindset that represents the beauty within us. So, your beauty is the balance of your confidence, intelligence, and kindness. If you have not yet have the combination of all three, your beauty is not a real beauty. According to Ayurveda, there are three pillars of beauty. Rupam, which is outer beauty, personalized by radiant, healthy complexion, healthy hair, beautiful eyes, and all that. Gunam. Gunam is guna. That refers to inner beauty characterized by pleasing personality, intelligence of mind, and innocence of mind. Vyavastyaga means lasting beauty, which is an essence of beauty within you that feels you younger than chronological age. So in Ayurveda, beauty is defined in a holistic term. As we all know, that Ayurveda is 5,000 years old healthcare system of India. Nature is the god of beauty and expert cosmetologist of the earth. Nature provides everything you need to balance the imbalances and maintain our health. All the versatile natural ingredients are offered by Mother Nature to enhance the beauty outside and inside. So all the cleansers and nourishers, moisturizers, face packs, and you see all the advertisement every day, astringents and refreshers and scents and toners, so that we use from already available from the chemist. All are exist in the nature. There are herbal extracts, powders, essential oils with numerous wonderful cosmetic benefits. Ayurvedic herbal formulations and therapies have many preventative and curative benefits to maintain the ideal beauty inside out. So, beauty originates and begins with Panchatattva. And it ends in Panchatattva after death, right? So beauty originates in mother's womb. According to Ayurvedic theory, perfect balance of healthy mind, body, and soul needed to conceive and give birth to a very healthy and beautiful intellectual child. Nurturing and nourishing pregnant women help to give birth to a beautiful baby inside out. We have to pay attention to this area. Ayurveda has a special chapter on taking care of pregnant women to prepare them physically and mentally to give birth to a healthy, beautiful, intelligent baby. It is called Garbha Sanskar. If the woman receives Ayurvedic therapies and nourishment, love, happy surrounding, nurturing for all the 9 months, she will give birth to a physically and mentally well balanced, healthy baby and happy baby. That is the reason Garbha Sanskars are important. So, Ayurvedic beauty treatment, it starts from the mother and baby rituals. So this is the first and important beauty treatment in Ayurveda, which is given to the mother before getting pregnant, during the pregnancy, and after giving birth to the child. So there are many Ayurvedic rituals and therapies for newly born baby and breastfeeding mother to maintain and balance their healthy body and mind. So these are many ancient secrets becoming beautiful inside out in Ayurveda. There are special postnatal massages and therapies for mother and baby. For mother after giving birth to the baby, mother should be on special warm vata pacifying diet. Mother gets so tired from the fatigue of the process of that she goes through the childbirth. She needs special nurturing, warm herbal oil massages multiple times in a day after delivering a baby, steam bath with herbal steam, herbal supplements to support her digestion, stress, and special nutrients for breastfeeding. Ayurvedic rituals balances the imbalances occurred during the pregnancy and childbirth. It strengthens philosophy of mind and body. After 3 to 4 weeks of these personalized therapies, mother feels refreshed, rejuvenated, relaxed from all the stress and ready to take on the challenges at work, home, and parenting a new baby. So, mother's recovery depends upon restoring her natural balance through herbs and oils, emotional and social support from the family. Some women take more time than others. This is getting ignored nowadays in Indian new mothers. I get more and more calls from Americans to follow these rituals and how to follow these and what needs to be done. Young women look more stressed inside, that reflects on the outside skin. And they, some of them, they look more older than their chronological age. So mother always gets busy in taking care of baby and forgets about her self-care, weight management, balances and imbalances in the body. So when a woman go through these stages, I mean, women go through many stages in their lives. It is very important for them to balance the imbalances, because when they go through all these stages, there are hormonal changes every time. So they have to take care of themselves on time to time basis to gain their confidence back inside out. So Ayurvedic care for newborn babies, because to make a beautiful young women or young men, they need to get these beauty treatments when they're babies. So baby goes through the process of being into cozy mother's womb to coming out into the real world, right? So Ayurvedic warm herbal oil massages enable babies to experience a warmness of the womb, and nurturing skin to get ready slowly for the new natural outside environment outside mother's womb. So it enhances relaxation to baby's mind to establish better sleep, improve brain function, and overall growth. Daily baby massage enhances the circulatory and respiratory systems, improves digestion of the baby, healthy muscle tones, and it brings nourishing blood to all the cells of the body. It shares love and provides beautiful opportunity to increase lovely conversation between baby and mother through the process. Baby becomes calm and happy when these rituals are given. Nowadays, we see more angrier babies, angrier kids, teenagers, moody kids with concentration problems in studies. So that is because they were not nurtured at the time they were supposed to. Beauty according to Ayurveda. So this is the main thing about beauty. According to Ayurveda and Veda, it is Satyam Shivam Sundaram. So it is not just the outer skin. According to Veda and Upanishada, or the ancient scripts, Satyam means the inner truth. Shivam means goodness in you, and Sundaram, that means beauty within inside. Satyam means the truth. It is a true reality of yourself. It means the presence of your mind, your body, and your soul together. This seeing of existence in the first is the first experience of the mystic contained in the world, Satyam. Satyam means the truth, nothing but the absolute truth about yourself. Shivam means virtue. Everything that is good, valuable, all that is the most precious in you, the ultimate good, the human being who comes to experience the truth starts living the truth immediately. Living the truth is Shivam. Shivam is the action of truth. The truth itself is the center of the cyclone. But if you experience the truth, the cyclone around you becomes pure godliness. The truth is the only proof of the divine world. Sundaram. Sundaram means absolute beauty. Satyam, the truth. Shivam, the divine. And Sundaram, the beauty. You have seen the beauty of the flowers. You have seen the beauty of the stars. You have seen the beauty of a bird, And you have seen beauties of sunsets and sunrises. But the greatest beauty is to see the totality, the intensity of the mystic. This is the greatest flowering in existence of consciousness itself. It is available only to those who are humble enough to receive it. Absolute beauty is the balance of three pillars, which is perfectly harmoniously balanced body, mind, and soul. No one is perfect. We all have some balances and imbalances that we have to balance by encompassing lifestyle management, diet, uh, nutrition according to season, with a combination of breathing exercises, yoga, meditation, cleansing of uh, seasonal cleansing, and dosha balancing herbs. Exercise is very important factor. Digestion and absorption are important in Ayurveda, and that is where the exercise comes in. If Agni or fire is weak, you will have stomach problems. Long-term digestion problems create ama toxins in the body. Those toxins create problems in the body and mind. It may affect skin tone, hair fall, weight gain. All these things are related to beauty. Ayurveda has a preventative approach. Ayurveda suggests to drink, warm water with honey and lemon in the morning. Uh, Seasonings are necessary for healthy digestion and absorption of the food that you eat on daily basis. So when you eat balanced food according to your body constitution and season, it gets digested very well and then transforms into ojas. That is the tej, that is the glow, that is the essence of the body, right? It nourishes us to make us strong and maintain stronger immune system. Herbs and spices in in Ayurveda play an important role in proper digestion and boosting immune system, which reflects on our health and beauty. So Ayurveda for strong, healthy, and long hair. You must have been waiting to hear about it. According to Ayurveda, inner beauty of health, it reflects onto the outer part of the beauty. Hair is very beautiful and delicate part. It should be handled gently. Hair loss is caused due to the imbalanced Pitta dosha in the body. Pitta or fire governs our metabolism and responsible for digestion of food. Pitta is also responsible for secretions of hormones. Certain hormonal imbalances can cause hair loss in men and women. Women go through certain stages of their lives, like I said earlier, where hormones play vital role. For example, puberty, pregnancy, childbirth, menopause, hormonal changes affect the hair growth. The food that we eat provide the nutrients to our hair follicles. To balance the Pitta dosha, Pitta pacified diet is recommended by Ayurveda. It includes cool and sweet food, cucumbers, coconut, buttermilk. Buttermilk is called Amrut in Ayurveda, which is like a lifesaver. And sweet fruits like melons are recommended in the diet. Coconut water and buttermilk both have high amount of calcium and protein to promote the hair growth, and it is obviously good for our beautiful skin. Apart from the food regimen, Ayurveda recommends hair therapies according to the imbalances, and for rejuvenating purposes too. So Shirodhara is one of them, herbal oil drip on the head, and Shirobasti, pouring herbal oil on the head through the donut-shaped part, are the main therapies for hair-related problems. I offer these treatments as a licensed beauty therapist, and I see the best results of these Ayurvedic therapies, which I always feel honored about it. So, uh, these are the Ayurvedic external therapies. For regular maintenance of healthy and lustrous hair, coconut oil or any oil according to body type is good for hair massages. There are scented hair oils are also available uh, for strong oil, which are made by Bringaraj, Eclipta alba. It is the best herb recommended for healthy hair. It works as a natural hair strengthener, conditioner, and provides the nutrients to the hair follicles. So, hair is a protein matter called keratin. The hair on the head is at different stages of development. It doesn't fall out altogether. Hair fall is natural when hair loss is more than replacement, that thinning and balding sets in. Okay, so hair also owes its color to melanin of the melanin like skin, right? This depends mainly on hereditary characteristics and can be influenced by racial factors. Healthy and luxurious looking hair, it's not difficult to maintain or not difficult to achieve. It needs constant care, inside out, in food regimen and the outside therapies. Dry hair are due to aggravated vata dosha in the body. So it would need plenty of nourishment, consequently require extra oil. Shampoo or conditioner should be used less frequently to prevent the natural luster of our hair. You can use shampoo or conditioner uh, um, and other things that you're using for keeping the moisture level intact of your hair. Lanolin basis shampoos, conditioners are good. Protein based like egg shampoos or hair packs are really good. Hot oil massages or Shirodhara with or warm oil drip is always good for vata type of dry hair. Sesame oil, olive oil, extra sticky oils are good for vata type of hair. Use warm towel wrap for steaming after massage for deeper absorption of oil in dry hair. Sometimes dry hair are due to environmental damage to hair, like excessive heat, winter cold, or excessive brushing to the hair, excessive use of the chemical-based shampoos and hair sprays. Regular head massage to the scalp with gentle circular movements with the fingers help in stimulating sebaceous glands to secrete oil. Vata balancing diet is always recommended. It is not just external therapies. You have to do simultaneous the internal therapies, food regimens and all. Premature graying hair and balding is due to aggravated pitta dosha in the body. This type of hair needs a lot of maintenance, premature graying. So due to what? Pitta dosha. To Too much of hot and hard water affects this type of hair. Too acidic, spicy food is not good for this type of hair. Head massage with cooling coconut oil or takradhara is good for pitta type of hair. Drinking plenty of water keeps this type of hair more cool and healthy. Henna paste is used as a natural hair color for gray hair. Herbs like gooseberries, Bhringiraj eclipta alba are used with henna for hair treatments or in hair packs. Natural plant-based hair dyes are also available. They're mild, but they are not harmful to hair. Indigo henna walnut pack is used. The natural packs are used for uh, gray hair. Oily hair. So oily and sticky hair are due to aggravated kapha dosha in the body. Oily hair requires different therapy. It requires limited brushing. It limits the stimulation of oil after each brushing. It needs it needs more wash. It needs more shampooing, like multiple times in a week, depending upon the season and the weather. But excessive oily hair, if neglected, often leads to premature falling. Fatty and oily food should be avoided. Kapha pacifying diet is recommended. So dandruff is another issue. It causes severe itching and dryness. So severe dandruff can accelerate hair loss. Light warm oil massages with coconut oil to the scalp helps to dislodge the dandruff flakes. Dandruff is a disease of the scalp. It is a kind of illness. It can cause damage to the hair and extreme hair fall. Harsh chemicals and shampoos can cause more damage to the scalp of the scalp and hair. There are many Ayurvedic herbal formulations can be used to treat dandruff and promote hair growth. Lemon juice should be applied few hours before shampooing with the herbal shampoo. Herbs like henna, gooseberry, shikakai, acacia consina, rita, sapindus trifolius, brahmi, which is bacopa moneri, the natural antibiotic and wonderful cleansers without any harmful effects of shampoos and conditioners. So these are the simple remedies. There are so many remedies in Ayurveda, but you need to make sure to go to the right Ayurvedic practitioner who can evaluate your hair and scalp before giving you hair treatments. So hair loss and baldness, I mean, this is like a hot topic, right? So there are external internal therapies, but you have to remember that the emotions, hormonal changes, stress, trauma, anxiety, these all mind imbalances can trigger hair loss. Any reaction to medicine or side effects can also relate to that type of extreme hair loss. Dietary deficiencies can cause hair loss. Body mind imbalances in pregnancy, childbirth, and menopause can affect the healthy hair loss. It is important to balance the imbalances on timely fashion to prevent this hair loss. You can't just, when you see the complete baldness and then you seek the treatment, it's not going to happen overnight. It takes a lot of time. So it is important to take care of it on time to time basis. So this is important to seek the expert advice. in terms of baldness treatment. So, and this can be in men and women. Beauty of hair is a symbol of good health. Hereditary hair loss is the common reason of baldness in men. We are living in a very fast-paced world. Stress, poor eating habits, seasonal changes, they all affect hair thinning in men and women. Overuse of straighteners, hair dryers, rollers, use of hairsprays cause permanent hair damages to our hair texture. So the key to the healthy hair is balanced, healthy diet. Balanced body, mind, and soul is important for healthy scalp. Regular and appropriate care of hair to maintain the healthy texture of hair. Use of good hair tonics, hair oils, herbal supplements for hair growth are helpful. Beauty of hair is not out fashioned. It's never old fashioned. Some hair care herbs are available to use externally. They're beneficial for length of the hair, strength of the hair, texture of the hair. Bringaraj is one of them. Teal is good for your health. I mean, internal use of teal powder, sesame powder in your diet, because it has a lot of proteins and vitamin D, basically, which is good for your skin too. So hair wash and dyes, if you use natural hair dyes, you can save health, hair fall and the balding, because dyes, the chemical dyes, is the main cause of hair fall. There are a lot of good hair conditioning, natural hair conditionings are available. All women dream for healthy, soft, long, shiny hair. Dry hair can damage and slit ends very easily. It looks dull if damaged or extreme dry hair. Boil few tea bags in the cup of water and rinse your hair after wash. That's a good hair conditioner, and very simple to make and use for improving the luster of your hair. Lemon juice wash is good for oily hair to balance the acid and alkaline balance of your hair. Good hair treatment can preserve the beauty of hair and healthy hair growth. Now, beauty of skin. You must be waiting for this, the beauty of skin. That's the every woman's dream, and of course, men's too. The skin is the biggest organ of the human body. It plays many roles in maintenance of healthy life. It is an outside shield which holds our body structure, and it is the barrier between the inner and outer environment. So you definitely need to make sure to take care of your skin. Skin helps in regulating the temperature of the body, and it acts as an immune defense, sensation messenger to the brain. Skin is a unique organ and demands so much attention in terms of imbalances and well-being. Skin types. There are 3 types of skin: Vata type of skin, Kapha type of skin, Pitta type of skin, and there are combination types of skin too. So Vata type of skin is dry, prone to wrinkles. It is very, very important to take care of Vata type of skin. It's always dehydrated, dull looking, flaky, itchy. Pitta type of skin is rosy, warm, flares up easily, sensitive to sun rays, prone to acne, moles, boils, skin burns. Kapha type of skin is thick, and it is prone to blackheads. Normal skin. So, normal skin is the healthy skin, harmoniously balanced with doshas. This skin is neither dry or oily. It has a soft, velvety, glowing structure. This type of beautiful skin needs care to last its texture. If they neglect the care of this type of skin, it shows sign of aging very quickly. Daily cleansing, toning, and nourishing is required for this type of skin. So, Vata type of skincare, which involves majority of women, majority of them have Vata type of skin. Dry skin, that's a dry skin, and it lacks sebum and moisture. So texture of the skin looks fine, transparent, but fragile. So there are tiny expression lines, and it is itchy, flaky, and it chaps very easily, especially it appears on the lips, chapped lips. So too much washing with soap and water makes it more drier. It washes off the natural oil of the skin, which protects the skin from exposure of sun rays. So you don't have to do that multiple times. Dryers, air conditioners, and cold air exposure to the skin. Vata skin needs efficient circulation of blood and nutrients to the different layers of the skin. This type of skin needs constant care inside out to prevent the premature aging. The human skin is structured to breathe oxygen. In order to do so, it should be clean. There is a natural moisture contains in the cells of the skin. So this water content decreases slowly with the age, with the outside environment. This human skin has to be protected from the worst environmental conditions. So, and then there are vitamin deficiencies affect our skin. It makes it more dry. Lack of sleep, what type of food we eat, that affects. So moisture producing glands become less functioning with the environmental conditions, with the food changes, and it resulting in, and then hormonal changes, of course, and it resulting in dry and wrinkled skin. So it also loses the ability to hold moisture after a while. It loses elasticity and results into premature aging if we don't take care of it. So a warm diet is recommended, vata pacifying diet, especially drink more water to keep the skin hydrated, plenty of sweet fruits, natural fruit juices without preservative. Use ghee in cooking, which is good for the skin. External use of sesame oil, almond oil for the self massages. Going to bed on time helps. Good 8 hours sleep is required for our health, and of course it reflects on our skin. Pranayama exercises, which gives more oxygen to the skin, protects skin from extreme weather. Cleansing by rose water, creamy milk, it removes the the outside toxins of the skin. Cleansing is very essential for women who use makeup. Use lemon juice as a cleaner for deep cleansing. Use moist cotton wool for cleansing or moisturizing the skin. So that's about the cleansing. Skin toning after cleansing process. Application of skin tonics also help to close the open pores and tighten the loose skin. Homemade honey and mint-based skin tonic is helpful for tightening the skin. Rose water with honey can be a good skin tonic. And rose is very beautiful. It is the, what you call it? It is a queen. It is a beauty queen, actually. There are a lot of uses of rose in beauty products, and that is the reason. So there are a lot of other useful beauty products in Ayurveda. Like I said, the nature is the cosmetologist. Pitta type of skin. Pitta is fire. This type of skin is very sensitive to the skin sun rays. It is less tolerant to the spicy and hot food. Then it tends to have breakouts, freckles, and moles. The Pitta type of skin needs cooling to the sensitivity. Avoid exposure to the skin. Tanning lotions are not good. Hot water is not good for this type of skin. The skin needs effective functioning of the metabolic mechanisms that coordinate all chemical and hormonal reactions of the skin. Diet of Pitta skin is definitely, food, vegetables, having like a sweet taste, bitter astringent type of taste. Green vegetables are always good. Eat some rose petals, or rose jam is actually good with the cold milk for this type of skin. Cook with cooling spices like fennel, coriander, and licorice is good for the type of skin. External massage oil, use coconut oil, rose, sandalwood, which has cooling effects for the Pitta type. It protects the skin from extreme sunlight too. Brisk moonwalk is good for this because this skin doesn't tolerate hot sun rays, so moonwalk is good. Shitali pranayam, which is cool. And swimming in cold water is recommended, not with chlorine though. But cleansing with rose water, cucumber juice is good. Exfoliation with cold water, cold milk and sugar, because this skin is more prone to breakouts, blackheads and stuff. Massaging with sandalwood oil and rose oil is very helpful for this type of skin. Then crushed rose petals in milk and sandalwood powder used as a mask. That is very good for this type of skin. So that is Pitta type of skin, and Kapha type of skin is oily, extremely oily. Kapha type of skin is very thick. The secretions of sebaceous glands are overactive in this type of skin. It produces excessive oil. The excess oil causes the pores to become enlarged and clogged and prone to blackheads and pimples, acne. So the enlarged pores give a thick texture to the skin, and it looks shiny, toneless. People with kapha imbalances are recommended to do actually detoxification and cleansing more often, or maybe regular basis every season. External deep cleansing and exfoliation with the expert cosmetologist is recommended for this oily skin. It is best form of preventative care, free from blackheads, spots, acne, other blemishes. So oily skin needs proper moisture balance. Diet is, of course, uh, not non-fried food. Eat warmer, lighter, less oily food, not heavy, high protein or hard to digest food. No. Uh, it's more like fresh organic fruits and vegetables are good. Cook with warm spices. Ginger and black pepper is good for this. And avoid definitely frozen food, starchy food, sweet and high carb diet. Extremely useful is sandalwood and neem extract for gentle massage from outside, and regular physical exercise with will improve the blood circulation of the skin. Also using mud mask at least once a week and scrubbing to the skin with a gentle clay for the exfoliation, it helps in cleansing of the skin and exfoliation. So use lemon or orange juice as a cleanser. Wash face with neem because neem is antibiotic as a director indica. Neem soap is available. Use multiple times to wash extra oil off the skin. And also it washes off the toxins on the skin too. After cleansing, use cold water. Wash with a toner to close the pores. That is more important. Exfoliation is actually kind of needed in this type of skin. Steaming the face helps to dislodge the blackheads in like a facial process. This has to be done by the experienced cosmetologist because you don't need the scars from the pores. Steam with mint leaves and take steam over the face. Proper toning should be done after steaming to close the open pores and reduce the oiliness of the surface. Never pick or remove the blackheads by forcing yourself. Perfect hygiene procedure should be followed for this type of skin. There is combination of skin people have, like you will see some areas of nose has more oil, or the cheeks have oily patches, and the other areas you will see probably dry. So those are the combination of skins, like Vata Pitta combination, Kapha Pitta combination, Vata Kapha combination of skin, that is also there. And there are different treatment methods are available. So we cannot talk about all the beauty treatments and cosmetology in 1 hour session, but I am able to cover most of it. So Ayurvedic therapies for cleansing and detoxification. So according to Ayurveda, like I said, beauty is not only outer beauty, it is inner beauty. So you have to maintain the health and the ama, toxins, everything inside the body for keeping your outside body intact. So according to Ayurveda, proper elimination is equally important. Proper digestion of the food is equally important. If it doesn't happen, then undigested particles accumulate in the body in the form of ama. It is important to do the seasonal cleansing to flush out the accumulated toxins and unblock the channel, because the toxins unblock block the channel. So cleansing unblocks the channel. Detoxification unblocks the channel. Accumulated toxins imbalance the body elements, doshas in the body. Those elements reflect the health of our skin and hair. Detoxification method, you can go for a 3 days, 5 days detox. It's always good rejuvenation for your body, mind, and it reflects on your outer beauty. So that is a good therapy in Ayurveda. It's actually a separate Panchakarma chapter. I would like to focus a little bit. I mean, you probably heard from the other speakers too about the acne prevention and acne treatments, but that is my specialty. So I just want to highlight a little bit. This is for acne prone skin. This is very important to wash the face with Neem as a directa indica soap at least 3 to 4 times a day, and cleansing with aloe vera gel and rose water to keep the skin free of oil. Application of combination of neem, basil, turmeric based creams, it reduces the oiliness of the skin, and it is also antibacterial. Avoid any oil-based creams or lotions or cleansers. Sometimes there is a superficial dryness around the area. It needs water-based moisturizer, not oil, to moist the outer layer of the skin. There are herbal Ayurvedic remedies to treat acne. So again, this is inside out. You cannot just treat the outside part because that's temporary. You will also have to balance the imbalances inside the body, that it can be hormonal, hormones related, or that can be any other dosha imbalance. Sometimes these herbal remedies in Ayurveda they have a comprehensive approach to, not sometimes, all the time, comprehensive approach. So it is not just one-time treatment. It is for not coming back again. When you balance it, then it won't come back again. So acne can be manifested in many ways. Treatment cannot be generalized unless the dosha imbalance is determined in the body. Elimination of toxins are required by cleansing. Dosha specific diet and herbal remedies should be followed in persistent acne problems. So there are herbal tablets available to take, including the lifestyle management. So there are other factors associated with acne. Dandruff in the hair aggravates the acne problem. Washing hair with anti-dandruff formulation, following hygiene and precaution for not using the same hands on the face should take care of it. Hormonal imbalances and emotional imbalances can also be a factor in aggravating acne conditions. And I have seen that in like more than 80% of cases in teenagers. It is mostly occurring during the puberty. Very often teenagers get anxious or they lose the confidence. So many times I have seen anxiety and stress. Most of the times I have seen it is attached to this acne problem. Ayurveda recommends ashwagandha for stress reduction. So proper care can take care of these problems. Beauty is all about taking regular care inside out. Relaxation, exercise, happiness plays a big role in beauty inside out. Stretch marks in women, they, uh, it is very common. Stretch marks can be due to the weight gain also, and frequent weight loss and weight gain, and during the childbirth. Stretched skin becomes very dry and itchy. It is important to massage with the extra sticky oil, like olive oil or almond oil. Any oil with high protein content is very useful. Also, aloe vera gel can be used for rejuvenation purposes. It is a good rejuvenator. Daily regimen, like dinacharya, what Ayurveda says, it is very important for the um, beautiful body and beautiful skin, beautiful inside out, and aging gracefully, of course. So there are many um, ingredients, many herbs Ayurveda has. There is a profound knowledge of beauty in Ayurveda. So we spoke about skin, we spoke about hair, we have a lot to talk about, like beautiful eyes and teeth and nails and all these things. But beauty of neck and back is always ignored by men and women. Neck holds you up, right? So that is like a confidence. It is a part of your good posture. Neck portion always get neglected. We give more attention to our face, but not the entire neck. It is important to cleanse your neck every time you do the facial cleansing. Use lemon juice, aloe vera gel for the deep cleansing. Back of the neck often gets darker. This is the area which gets darker. Massage it during the facial massage and apply the mask at the time of using that type of facial. Do not neglect the neck, because over and over again it becomes dark. The layers form, the dead skin layers. So you need to take the dead skin off by dry massages, or dry massage with the brush, harsh brush. Apply gram flour, turmeric, rose water once a month to clear that suntan. Back is often get neglected. It is equally important to do the dry brushing of the back to remove the dead skin. Sometimes, blackheads tend to appear on the back. It has enough sebaceous glands, and that's why that happens. So there are homemade neck and back cream you can make, or you can buy. Avocado oil is very good. 2 spoons of avocado oil, castor oil, equal amount, evening primrose oil, equal amount, and then jojoba oil, equal amount, lavender oil, equal amount. Sorry, not equal amount, just 10 drops, and mix together and store it and use it to massage your back. It's very soothing, but it's very good for your back. So there is a lot to talk about, beautiful hands and nails and feet. That's another ignored part. We walk with our feet all our life. Our feet get tired the most. Our entire body weight is on our feet. Plus, they accommodate our fashion shoes. Whether they like it or not, to take care of feet is very important for our health. Bad footwear can cause foot problems. So you always have to make sure the footwear that you wear, the shoes, the sandals, they're very comfortable for your feet. Some people have problems with the posture of the foot, so they need special type of footwear to wear. And don't wear ill-fitting shoes that causes, corns and callus. Open sandals can cause dry, cracked heels, and athletes' feet can cause fungus problems due to the sweating. So regular pedicure is helpful and to take care of that type of feet. Otherwise, Vipadika is a disease of palm and sole in which there are many crack marks along their edges. These are effectively treated by purified old ghee called Shatadhauta. It's very useful. I have used in my patients. Good exercise for happy feet is like barefoot walk on the grass or barefoot walk on the sand is very useful. Always wear warm cotton clothes and socks. Regular foot massages with warm sesame oil, castor oil. It prevents fissuring heels and foot. Drink plenty of warm water to keep the skin well hydrated and to prevent dryness. So I hope you liked my tips, and be happy, be beautiful inside out.